Alright, just for fun, how many of you people ever went riding on a Model D John Deere tractor? It's pretty fun. I think you might enjoy it. I'm going to give it a try. I don't know if I can pull this off by myself or not, but we're going to mount up on this baby. Alright, we're in the seat. First thing we got to do is crack the throttle forward a little bit. Then we got to stand up all the way over here and get a hold of this knob, see if she'll start. Oh, well, yeah. The twin stack John Deere diesel. Alright, a little bit more throttle. Brake off. Alright, here's the cool part, man. It's your clutch. Gotta push that forward. Here we go. Oh yeah. Go too far too fast. Didn't really meant to. Get it out here in the yard in a minute, we'll open her up. Alright, let's put it to her, see what happens. The clutch and the stop. And brake on. Throttle back. Alright, there ain't but two ways to kill her. One of them is like this, with the clutch. There you go, right on a John Deere tractor. Hope you enjoyed that.